Do you want to have the qualities that every successful person has? The pull, the presence, the confidence that closes sales. This rune formula was made to develop these qualities in you. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 5 runes. The first rune is the rune Dagas. It's the rune of the new stage, a rune of enlightenment, a new beginning. So this means that in your energies of success, victory and successful sales, you will experience a stage of significant positive transformation. The next rune is the rune Ingwas, a rune of wholeness and completeness, a rune of victory and prosperity. It will invite all these positive energies into you. The rune Manas is the rune of the social nature, rune of the intellect, of the mind, rune of the ability to communicate with other people, rune of ability to work with other people in a constructive and productive manner. The next rune is the rune Vunyo, a rune of joy, success and overall a rune of positive results. And the fifth rune is the rune Sovilo, rune of success and victory and of the sun energy and also of the fire element and its expansive qualities in general. So together these 5 runes will help you achieve all these positive energies in your areas. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, I will gain success in all my business ventures and clients will be attracted to me naturally, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.